Jude.
Ontario's stone fruit is front and center this morning with these delicious recipes from Weekend at the Cottages. Nick Manojlovich. Nick, welcome to the show once again.
Thank you so much.
We're focusing on peaches and nectarines today.
Absolutely. Ontario's finest, freshly picked from the tree. Get some now, pronto.
And you're saying this is a banner season.
I think this is one of the best years ever. When you're looking for peaches and nectarines. The nectarines are the kind of smooth skinned, peaches are fuzzy. And because they're freshly picked, these are such great hydrating fruits. I want to suggest a couple things, Rick. First thing, I'm going to toss a little bit of salt and pepper on this bowl. I'm going to grab a reamer and then do a little bit of lime juice on this bowl. And you're probably thinking, oh, look at all those peppers and onions. Wait, look at the peaches and nectarines at the bottom of the bowl. So suddenly, freshly picked Ontario peaches and nectarines are a salsa. You have beer handy, chips, instant party. So savory is a really great way of putting these two spectacular fruit to good use.
I would have never thought of peaches and nectarines in a salsa.
And this will disappear ASAP, or put it on shrimp or something fantastic.
Wow, phenomenal.
You will make the, you or your wife will make it. No, this is super easy. A buttered casserole dish, and I have in the recipe at weekendatthecottage.com, I'm saying 9 nectarines, but if you have 10 or 12, that's fine too. They're tossed with orange juice and sugar. This, I want you to take this, and you're gonna do like dabs of this on
Just
here.
Just like blam it?
Wait, oh yeah, go ahead, blam it. Blam it.
This is me blamming.
New culinary term, friends, blamming it. So this is butter, sugar, a little bit of almond
Are these
extract.
chunks okay here?
Yeah, because I'll show you. You can blam it all you want, but I'll show you what's going to happen when people make this at home. You're going to be able to do this. You think you could do this?
I think I can do this so far. If you come over to my house and make
No. Watch. Ready? And at the end, you're going to add some sliced almonds. I put a little bit of almond extract in there because almond pairs so well with nectarines. Okay, this goes in the oven.
Nice. Now, when you're looking for these nectarines and peaches in these recipes, are you looking for the ones that are firm or soft, or does it matter?
Well, I think right now they're so perfectly in season. I like them a little bit soft because they work so well in these recipes. That's what your blamming cobbler looks like when it comes out of the oven. You did it! Now, here's the big question. Have you ever made a pie?
I have not, for the record, ever made a pie. My wife has.
You are doing it today.
Okay.
Ontario's finest peaches, ginger. I want you to add that mix on top.
Okay.
So this is a mixture of brown sugar. You take those spoons and you're going to stir. A mixture of brown sugar and cornstarch, a little bit of salt. I'm going to add a little bit of, we got to get you
maybe a bigger bowl, Nick?
No, short sleeve shirt or something.
Really... I'm fine. I'm keeping it together.
You're doing good.
We're making things happen.
No, you're doing great. My all butter pie dough on the pie plate. This goes in. And again, these recipes are all so forgiving. Now, I rolled out lattice.
You did.
You're going to do this.
If I cut it, it would have been a zigzaggy mess.
So you're going to take a thing and lay it on top.
Any one?
Well, no, go for a larger one to start out with.
Large to start.
Right down the middle.
Okay.
I'm going to put a couple tabs of butter on there.
And right in the middle?
Yeah.
Oh.
Now the next one goes this way.
Okay.
Oh, this is so exciting.
There we go.
And yeah, perfect.
Yeah.
A couple things when you're looking for peaches and nectarines, you're looking for that Foodland Ontario logo.
Yes.
To know you're, settle down. You know you're buying Ontario's best. There you go, keep going. Come on, it's lattice work. It's like, oh.
I got it. Here, wait.
Yeah.
Hey, here we go. How's that?
It's pretty good, actually. I'm surprised.
We got 1 minute. You should be surprised.
Okay, so I want you to, you would continue and finish this into the oven. It bakes easily.
Like this.
Take this thing. I want you to lift a piece of that. I'm going to grab this spoon and I'm going to do the cobbler into bowls. And just fair warning, these desserts never stick around.
Can I dug into this?
No, wait, grab with a dessert fork. Grab a little dessert fork up there. Oh my gosh, you're so funny. And what's pie without ice cream?
Oh, come on, you gotta have the ice cream.
Look at that.
Here we go.
Yeah, here you go. What do you think? So please, this is your time. Make sure you're picking up fresh Ontario nectarines and peaches. I swear, right?
We gotta go. This is phenomenal. Nick, thank you so much.
You get a whole piece.
All the recipes.
Weekendatthecottage.com.
chch.com/morninglive. And yes, weekendatthecottage.com.
And Produce Made Simple. They have them too. Yay!
So good. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning. What do you
Phenomenal job.
Is it good?
Dive into that.
Okay, I'm gonna have this.